We are in Albi, France today, and it's in the southern part of France, and it's an adorable little town. It's really beautiful. We had a wonderful dinner last night. I got to ride a carousel. It was very fun, and had a beautiful dinner, and I had for dessert a caramel sundae, which the poor guy had to make twice because the first time he put a cookie on the top of it. So, but he was very nice about it, and caramel, apparently they make caramel in this region, and it was very good. So today we're going to the cathedral here. St. Cecile is, we walked by it last night. It's amazingly impressive, and the Lautrec Museum. And then this afternoon we're going to the Dom Robert Museum in Suresnes, which is, I think, a fairly short drive from here. I'm very much looking forward to seeing Dom Robert's tapestries. I saw one in Angers, and I'm looking forward to seeing a bunch more. So, Albi is lovely. It will probably rain this afternoon, but we may be on the bus by then. So, I'm loving these little gardens. Really, this is a beautiful, beautiful place. Today is our last morning in Albi, and we're going to Aubusson later this afternoon. Of course, I'm very much looking forward to being in Aubusson. This is a bridge down near the river Le Tarn that goes through Albi. Yesterday we went to the Dom Robert, yesterday afternoon, to the Dom Robert Museum in Suresnes, and it was amazing, fantastic. We saw one Dom Robert tapestry in Angers, and this museum had many, many, many of them hanging and a bunch more in storage. And I just loved the wonderful, playful techniques and all the little animals, and the ability that we could get really close to the tapestries to see the techniques. And they also had many, many of the cartoons displayed right next to the tapestry, so there was a lot of ability to see the process. So I'll show you some images that I took in that museum, and I bought a book in French because there's no catalog in English, and spent a little time with Google Translate, and I'm sure that I will spend more time with Google Translate. It's a beautiful book, and it has a lot of great images, so it was worth carrying it home on the plane. Anyway, I really enjoy the beautiful, lighthearted nature of Dom Robert's tapestries. They're very much based in nature, and they were sort of a relief after seeing the Lautrec stuff. There actually were a few Lautrec pieces in this museum also, but Lautrec is very masculine, and you know, some of his work is about nuclear war, like the Chant du Monde, and just a very different feeling in Dom Robert's pieces, which of course I appreciate the hopefulness and the nature-based subject matter, plus a lot of them are just really funny. So it was a great afternoon seeing those pieces. And of course Suresnes is this beautiful tiny little village out in the French countryside, so we saw some beautiful fields on the way there, and the Black Mountains, and there are poppies everywhere. So it was really a wonderful day, and today we should have more beautiful views on our drive to Aubusson. If you're out in the garden and you hear whistling, it might be Louise from an upper story window.